Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're really going beyond just writing.
Yeah.
We're exploring how to make AI think as it writes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so we're calling this one OmniThink and the Future of Machine Writing.
Okay.
This deep dive is based on a research paper. It has the same name,
Hmm.
and it really digs into how this system learns, reflects, and aims for writing that is both accurate and insightful.
The researchers bring up a problem with a lot of machine writing today.
Yeah.
It kind of gets stuck repeating the same information
Right.
without bringing anything insightful or new to the table.
Yeah.
The paper uses the example of AlphaFold
Okay.
and how AI might repeatedly just mention its creator DeepMind without giving us any new information.
Right, and we've all seen that kind of repetitive content.
Yeah.
It's not very engaging.
No, it's not.
So what's interesting about OmniThink?
Well, with OmniThink,
Yeah.
they try to take inspiration from how humans actually write.
Okay.
When we write, we think and reflect as we go. We're constantly refining our understanding. And this framework attempts to mirror that process to create something more thoughtful, almost like a well-crafted essay.
So let's break down how OmniThink approaches this.
Sure.
The paper highlights three main stages:
Mm-hmm.
information acquisition, outline structuring, and article composition.
Right.
It seems like that first stage, information acquisition,
Yeah.
is all about building a strong foundation of knowledge.
It's more than just gathering information, though.
Oh, okay.
It's about organizing and connecting ideas. The paper actually describes it as building an information tree,
Interesting.
where each branch represents a new concept or a new connection.
Okay.
As the system learns, it refines its understanding of the topic.
So it's not just collecting random facts.
No.
It's about creating a coherent structure.
Yes, like a
Wow.
mind map.
Uh-huh.
The paper uses the analogy of a tree growing, as OmniThink learns,
Okay.
with each branch representing new information and new connections.
I like that analogy.
Then comes outline structuring,
Right.
which is like a roadmap for writing. It helps ensure a logical and organized flow.
So it sounds like OmniThink uses its understanding of the topic
Mm-hmm.
to build that outline, preparing for the next stage, which is actually composing the article.
Right.
What I find really interesting is how it takes that information tree and turns it into something coherent and insightful.
Yeah, in the article composition stage, OmniThink pulls in specific details from its information tree,
Okay.
and it weaves them together based on the outline it created.
Uh-huh.
The goal is to create sections with a clear purpose and flow, not just random sentences strung together.
It sounds like it's going for a more nuanced approach to writing.
It is almost like what a skilled human writer would do.
Wow.
The paper really emphasizes that it's not just about writing more,
Right.
it's about writing smarter.
Yeah.
They even introduce a metric called knowledge density
Okay.
to measure how much unique and non-repetitive information is packed into the writing.
So they're really focusing on quality over quantity,
Yes.
making sure each sentence contributes something valuable. So did the researchers test OmniThink
They did.
to see if it lived up to these claims?
Yeah.
Did it actually produce insightful writing?
They found that OmniThink outperformed other machine writing methods
Wow.
in terms of novelty, knowledge density, and overall quality.
That's impressive.
They even included a side-by-side comparison to show how OmniThink wrote about AlphaFold
Okay.
in a much more concise and informative way than other AI systems.
I'm curious, did human readers actually prefer OmniThink's writing style?
They did. Human evaluations showed that people rated OmniThink's writing as more insightful and comprehensive
Interesting.
than other AI-generated content.
Okay.
This suggests that building thinking into the writing process makes a big difference.
That's really impressive. But every technology has its limitations, right?
Of course.
What challenges did the researchers point out? They did say that OmniThink still has some room to grow.
Uh-huh.
One limitation they pointed out was the need for more diverse writing styles.
Okay.
It seems to be stuck in a more academic style right now.
Yeah.
But there are so many other ways to write, like casual blog posts or even creative stories.
Right. Human writers can adapt their style to suit different audiences
Exactly.
and different purposes. It would be interesting to see if OmniThink could handle that level of versatility.
And another area for improvement might be going beyond just text.
Right.
Like, what if it could analyze images or videos that could create even richer content?
We do live in a multimedia world,
Right.
so it makes sense for AI writing to start moving in that direction.
Definitely. The researchers also point out the need to expand OmniThink to different domains and languages.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, that could open up a lot more possibilities for sharing knowledge globally.
I see.
It's exciting to think about what the future holds for this.
Yeah.
But for now, let's focus on what we've learned from this paper.
Okay.
Are there any key takeaways you want to highlight about OmniThink?
I think the main takeaway is that thinking should be a core part of the writing process.
Hmm.
OmniThink isn't just about putting words together. It's about understanding and synthesizing information
Yeah.
to create something truly insightful.
It really reinforces that good writing is about more than just churning out text.
Yeah.
It's about thought structure
Yeah.
and a deep understanding of the topic.
And it's promising that it performed so well in those tests,
Right.
especially in knowledge density and novelty.
Yeah.
It shows the potential for this type of approach to create content that's both informative and engaging.
That's a great point.
Yeah,
The early results seem very encouraging.
I agree.
Before we wrap up this deep dive,
Hmm.
I want to leave you with one last thought to consider. What if AI can learn to think like this while it's writing? Could this change how we learn and consume information?
It could imagine having access to AI that doesn't just summarize information,
Right.
but actually synthesizes it.
Yeah.
It could help us cut through all the noise
Wow.
and reach a deeper understanding faster.
That would be so useful.
Yeah, especially in today's world
Right.
where we have so much information.
It could be a game changer for anyone who's trying to learn.
Absolutely, researchers, students,
Yeah.
anyone trying to learn about a complex topic.
The researchers did say there's more to explore,
Yes.
like incorporating those different writing styles, like blog posts or stories,
Right.
and going beyond just text to analyze things like images and videos.
Yeah, those are all important areas for future research.
As AI writing evolves, it needs to reflect all the ways that we communicate and learn as humans.
It does. This has been a fascinating deep dive.
It really has. We hope you found this exploration of AI and the future of writing insightful.
I did.
Until next time, keep diving deeper.
Yes, keep learning.
We'll see you in the next deep dive.